Hi everyone, this is my mermaid inspired eyeshadow tutorial using MAC's Reflex Teal. Using MAC Bare Canvas all over the lid and under the brow, we're going to put this on with a synthetic brush. This gives us a nice light color to work with to make our eyeshadow colors pop. For the next part, you're going to need a creamy black eye pencil. I use Smolder by MAC because it's easily blendable. You're going to start almost in the inner corner of the eye, just leaving a little bit for the highlight that we'll put on later, and the outer corner. You want to make sure to leave the middle of the lid with nothing on it because that's going to be our highlight. Using a synthetic brush, blend out the eyeliner to the middle of the eye and up a little bit into the crease. Oops. Using Plumage eyeshadow from MAC, which is like a deep blue-green, you're going to go over the black pencil which you've smudged. This adds intensity to the look. Taking a blending brush, you're going to go back and forth in that windshield wiper motion, creating an arc in the crease between the two dark parts. Again, make sure you're not getting any in that highlight part that we've left bare. Now we're going to take Love Letter, which is a magenta from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and we're putting that in the crease. This mix of blue and pink is where the mermaid starts to form. Make sure you don't have any harsh lines and really blend out that shadow. Now I'm using Parrot by MAC. Unfortunately, it is discontinued, but you can use their Dazzle Shadow Try Me On as an alternative. Now I'm using Q as a bit of a highlight just in that space that we left empty with the liner. And Smolder again in the eye. I'm using Smolder in particular, not Graph Black or anything that's waterproof, because I actually want the liner to travel down a little bit and give you that soft, smoky, slept-in kind of look. Now you're going to put some on top as well, and we're going to blend all of that out. If you didn't watch my other videos, make sure you're not pulling your eye skin the way I'm doing it. It's only so I can see. Same synthetic brush. Blend, 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 blend. This will get covered by liner once we put mascara and lashes on, but this is just going to give a bit of intensity. The key is really to build that up slowly. You can also leave it smoky. Now we're highlighting using a classic MAC eyeshadow in Nylon. I love this color. It's really underrated nowadays. It's an amazing highlight color. It'll give a nice pop to your makeup, and as long as you diffuse it, you won't get any white lines. Make sure you're getting under the brow, in the corner, and a little bit under as well. Next is my favorite, the Teal pen liner. Starting from the inner corner, go all the way out and create that wing. You don't have to, as I mentioned earlier, you can just keep it smoked out and smudge out some more black eyeliner. Lash time, so put that glue on, make sure you wait a little bit for it to dry. It's really the key to getting those lashes on quickly and not making them ruin your eye makeup. We're going to curl them as well. It's going to open the eye a lot more, considering it's a little bit more of a darker makeup. These lashes are a little straighter, so I wanted to curl them so they would show a bit more. Also, for a look like this, you want to make sure the eye is balanced. So we're putting their Real Mascara from Benefit under the eye. This next product is one of my favorite out there because it's so versatile. It's the Makeup Forever Aquaseal. Today I'm using it to mix with the Reflex Transparent Teal and put it on as a highlight. You're going to want to press the reflex onto your lid, not wipe, because this way you won't end up with tons of glitter all over your face. I'm also going ahead and mixing the Aquaseal with the reflex a lot thicker As always, let me know in the comments what you think, and please subscribe.